Welcome to HVAC Official Channel. What are AC error codes? Error codes are special signals displayed on your AC's control panel or remote to indicate a fault or abnormal condition in the system. They help technicians quickly identify problems without opening the unit. Example: code E1 might mean a sensor issue, while F0 might mean low refrigerant. Why do error codes appear? Faulty sensors or wiring blocked airflow, refrigerant leakage compressor issues, overheating or freezing power supply problems. Error codes are designed to protect the system from further damage by shutting down certain operations. What to do when you see an error code? Turn off the AC to prevent further damage. Check the manual. Each manufacturer has its own code list. Look for simple issues. Clean filters. Ensure airflow. Check power supply. If it's a sensor or compressor code, call a qualified technician. Don't ignore repeated codes. They can lead to major breakdowns. How to prevent error codes? Regular maintenance every 3 to 6 months. Keep filters clean. Avoid overloading the AC. Ensure proper voltage supply. Get refrigerant levels checked annually.